In today's training, I would like to tell you 3 ways how you can get clients with less effort. There are many ways how you can get clients, for sure, but why to put more effort when you can do it with less? I see many great experts, they are leaving the money on table, as is the saying. And this is really happening. So these 3 ways will prevent you to do so. Welcome in this video where we will talk how you can get more clients in an easier way for you. I work with female expert business owners, women who sell their expertise and they are growing their businesses for 5 figures per month. And I see it many times when they come to me that they are leaving the money on the table. They did a lot of activities, but they didn't monetize their effort. There are many ways. I'm giving you today just 3, but they are important ones. It can make a change in 1 month or 2, and you can get more clients into your business. So let's dive into the first one, referrals. I'm sure that you heard about it, but do you use it? Do you use it effectively? I see that sometimes there is suddenly like idea that entrepreneurs they have, and they ask me like, oh, my dear friend, do you know anybody who I can work with? You know what I'm doing? Or some kind of messages like this going on LinkedIn or privately, and it's just once in a while. This is not really a good strategy. If somebody tells you, like for example, know me, do you use referrals? And then you will go and you will ask everybody. What is more important, you need to put it into your every week, every month's activities, and to do it regularly. So you can do it with your clients and your past clients. You can at some point, when you see that they reach a certain milestone, or when there is an occasion, then you can ask them who they know, who you can work with, who you can help. You can also do it with your business friends. You can ask them when you have a conversation, not like the forced one, like give now the message and ask everybody through the LinkedIn messaging or something if they can help you to get more clients. But do it regularly. When you talk to them, when you write about something else, drop the conversation also who they know, who you can help. And it might be a game changer, you might do it also with potential clients. If you are on the sales call with somebody who is not a good fit, or they decide they don't want to work with you, you can ask also them if they can refer somebody who they think will be a good fit. Using referrals, it can really, really double your business. If you use it well, it can. It has this potential. It was happening not only to me and to my clients, I learned it also from other mentors, and you can read about it in a great book if you want, Viral Referral Method. It's a great strategy how to get new clients. Let's move to the second one, email marketing. I know you heard about it, but do you use it effectively? I will ask you again. And if the answer is no, you are really leaving money on the table. Because from, let's say, 100 people, only about 1 to 3% will become your clients immediately because they had these needs. What about this, maybe about 30% sitting there waiting for the right time, or just they don't know you yet so well that they would say yes, or that they would accept going to your webinar or to your call? What about this? If you don't stay in touch with them, through the email marketing, then you are losing a lot. You see, 3% versus 30%. This 30%, they need more education. They need to learn more about your methods, why they need a mentor, why they need to work with you. So email marketing is a great way because it's not warming up one by one. It's a leverage form, how you can warm your potential clients. And it's really number one way how to get clients in easier way. Let's move to number 3. Another way how many great experts in their businesses, they leave money on the table is when they finish working with client, they don't have another offer for her or him. And usually these people, they spend some time with you. They like you because they trust you. They work, they had results with you, and you just stop working with them. It's pity. But maybe they can't repeat what you have already done with them. They already learned what they needed to learn from you. And I see it many times with this great expert, they are coming with 3 months program. After 3 months, they say bye, goodbye. But what about these people? They are just lost. They learned something, but they need more because they need somebody to be there when they implement, when they have new challenges, and it can be you. So it might not be the right fit for your main offer, but I call it a dessert offer. It's because it's after the main course, and it's really so sweet, like a dessert, because you don't need to do a lot of effort, a lot of marketing effort, not at all. No new marketing required. And you don't need to do so much sales effort because these are your existing clients. So you just cross-sell to them. You just cross-sell another offer. And this is the easier way how to get more revenue from existing clients. And this is something what I do also with my clients, because I love not working too much, because we are solopreneurs. We have only limited time. And I really believe that you can work smarter to achieve the same results or bigger results in your business. Let's recap. So 3 additional ways how you can get clients with less effort is using referral system, email marketing, and cross-selling to existing past clients. If you will use these 3 ways, how I also use it with my clients and myself, you will work less and you will earn more. To your success, now go and watch other videos.